The rainforest floor glows like a secret neon galaxy. Under midnight canopy, fungi flicker alive. They are not fireflies. They are mycelium lanterns, chemistry turned art. Each glow pulse is a chemical reaction, luciferin meets oxygen, sparks blue-green fire. Scientists call it bioluminescence, nature's midnight signal. The light guides insects, attracts mates, scares predators. Walk deeper and the forest becomes a living night lamp. This hidden light show lasts only hours, then fades into darkness. Witness the glow, feel the mystery.